AI Architects is a $97 monthly school community by Stephen G. Pope, a software engineer and entrepreneur with over 30 years of coding experience, a computer science degree, GitHub projects with over 1,000 stars, and two seven-figure technology businesses built, one of which he sold. The community teaches people how to build real AI-powered software products using Claude Code, AI agents, and his proprietary Hermes framework, combined with a business clarity course on how to generate revenue from what you build. But building profitable AI software products from scratch is one of the most technically demanding paths in online business. And even with AI handling the code generation, the gap between building something that works and building something people will pay for month after month is where most people underestimate what's required. I've been making money online for the better half of a decade now. It's enabled me to pursue my dream of traveling and living around the world. I've experimented with many different models in the meantime, but my favorite online income opportunity for most people is digital leasing because it can be done from anywhere, has high earnings potential, and enables you to make passive income online. On this channel, I review online business models so you're equipped with the knowledge to choose a business model that's optimal for your goals and experiences. Today, I'm going to be discussing AI architects and the AI product building and SaaS business model that it teaches. I'll discuss what the community offers, look at what real students are saying, and break down the business model in real terms based on my own knowledge and personal experiences. AI Architects is a $97 community created by Stephen G. Pope, based in Claremont, California. Stephen has been writing software for over 30 years, holds a computer science degree, has published GitHub projects with over 1,000 stars. He's built two seven-figure technology businesses and sold one of them, and is a Skool investor and Skool Games winner. The community currently has over 250 members, and Stefan is actively involved with over 4,400 contributions posted in his communities and 19,800 plus Skool followers. Here's what AI Architects includes: an AI engineering course covering Claude Code, AI skills, agents, and Hermes, which is Stefan's proprietary framework for building AI-powered applications; a business clarity course teaching you how to build a business around what you ship and generate recurring revenue from your builds; daily live builds where Stefan builds real applications, start to finish on screen, so members can watch the entire development process in real time, not just finish demos; a weekly roundtable for peer-to-peer discussion and sharing what members are building; direct access to Stefan for feedback on your own projects. Stefan's philosophy is direct. This is where AI builders build real stuff. The community explicitly positions itself against passive content consumption in favor of actual execution, which is great. His content acknowledges real limitations honestly, though, including publicly sharing that Claude Code sometimes adds unnecessary code and requires manual cleanup, and providing specific prompts to handle that. He built Shockwave, an AI open source Obsidian clone with an integrated AI coding agent, as a demonstration of what the community is building toward. The community targets people who want to build actual software products using AI as a primary development tool, combining technical skill development with business strategy for monetizing what gets built. The claimed outcome is multiple six-figure income streams from AI-powered products. In terms of third-party reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, I couldn't find anything specific about this program, but I think that the nearly 250 members tells you a good amount about the value of the program and the quality of the content. So now let's break down what the AI product building and SaaS business model actually involves in real terms. Stephen G. Pope is one of the most technically credible instructors in the AI building space, that's for sure. 30 years of software experience, a CS degree, and documented business exits are not credentials many competitors can match. His willingness to build transparently on screen every day, including software failures and limitations of AI tools, reflect genuine practitioner honesty rather than curated success highlights. For people serious about understanding how AI tools like Claude Code actually work at a systems level rather than surface level prompting, his content is among the most substantive available. However, the first reality here is that building AI software products that generate recurring revenue requires navigating a product market fit problem that technical skill alone cannot solve. You can build a polished, functional AI powered application and still generate zero revenue if the problem it solves isn't urgent enough, the market isn't large enough, or distribution to potential customers hasn't been figured out. Stefan includes a business clarity course specifically because technical building skill is necessary, but not sufficient. The hard part of the SaaS model is not building the product, it's finding the right problem, positioning the solution compellingly, and acquiring customers consistently enough to generate meaningful recurring revenue. The second reality here is that AI generated code introduces technical debt and security vulnerabilities that require real technical judgment to manage. Stefan's own community posts acknowledge this directly, including a post where a member asked if she had built AI slop, and a post where Stefan noted Claude Code kept adding unnecessary code no matter how many times he corrected it. Third party reviews also note a real learning curve here. This is honest and refreshing compared to vibe coding courses that present AI code generation as frictionless. But it also means that successfully building and maintaining production software using these tools requires developing real engineering judgment over time, not just following prompts from a course. Generating multiple six figure income streams from AI products is an ambitious outcome that depends on factors entirely outside the technical curriculum. Finding a product idea with a genuine market demand, acquiring first customers with no existing reputation or audience, maintaining and supporting a paid product while also building new ones, and competing against established software products with larger teams and more resources are all business challenges that the technical and business courses together can prepare you for, but cannot execute on your behalf. The path from learning to build to generating multiple six figure income streams involves significant commercial execution that most people who join technically focused communities significantly underestimate. And another thing to consider is that the AI tools landscape is changing faster than any curriculum can keep pace with. Stefan's own community demonstrates this. A recent post describes Anthropic making a major change to Claude Code that broke existing automations built on the SDK, requiring a workaround called Claude Heartbeat. Stefan finds and shares the workaround quickly, which is a genuine community value. But it also illustrates that anything built on current AI capabilities is subject to disruption from platform policy changes, API changes, and model updates. Staying current in this space requires treating it as an ongoing active learning commitment, not a credential you earn once. And the thing to keep in mind is that a lot of these AI companies are operating at a loss. They're probably going to have to increase the fees for these services at some point, which can negatively impact a software product you've made, causing it to be unprofitable if it's profitable today in some cases. Listen, I'm not going to say don't pursue AI software development because it's too hard, because that's not right. I'm actively pursuing this myself. I'm building my own software products. But here's the thing, it's not the easiest way to start making money online if you're a beginner. Just because there's all these tools out there now like Claude Code and AI agent building that can help you automate the process of actually doing the coding work. There's really a lot that goes into this on the technical side. And more importantly, on the marketing side and business side as well, because you have to choose a product to create that actually has demand, and then you have to be able to know how to market that product to actually get sales. It's not just learning the technical aspects, which is a major aspect of this, but it's not all there is. That's why for most beginners looking to start making money online, I actually recommend an alternative online business model called local SEO lead generation, because it's lower competition, it's an easier path to start making money online, it has high profit potential, and it teaches you real digital marketing skills that you can use in a software product in the future, and it also enables you to make passive income online. With local SEO lead generation, you set up simple websites that attract customers for local service business owners. And yes, you can benefit from using systems like AI agents and Claude Code to create these websites and help them to generate leads for your local business partners. So the idea is that you target home service business owners in lower competition markets like roofers, plumbers, and electricians, where only a small handful of local business owners are competing for visibility on Google, and you create your own marketing assets to try to get that visibility, and then you send those leads, you sell those leads to a real local service business owner for between $500 to $3,000 per month per website. These websites typically only cost a few $100s to build and rank on the first page of Google, after which they can require minimum ongoing cost and maintenance. The base cost of these websites is just $20 to $30 per month for a call tracking phone number so that you can receive the phone calls from the potential customer and forward them directly to your local business partner, and website hosting so that your website can appear on the internet. And the best part is that once one of these websites is ranked on the first page of Google in a low competition market, it can often remain ranking there long term with minimum ongoing maintenance work. That means you can go through periods of making passive income online. With that extra time, you can focus on doing other projects that interest you, living your life, or what I recommend, actually scaling your business by building out a portfolio of these lead generation assets. Imagine a business with 10, 20, or even 30 websites, each making $500 to $3,000 per month. That's some serious online income potential. If you're a beginner looking to start making money online, check out the link in the description to learn more about local SEO lead generation. If this review was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.